Welcome to a world where nature meets the pinnacle of precision engineering, a mesmerizing journey that begins in the golden, sun-drenched fields of the morning. We leave the soil behind to enter a realm of absolute sterility, where the warmth of the sun is replaced by the cool brilliance of steel. This is not just food production, it is a grand industrial symphony, where every kernel is treated as a vital component in a high-tech masterpiece. Step through the gates of the future, where advanced automation and mechanical standards converge to create something truly extraordinary for the senses and the soul. Observe the rhythmic pulse of our facility, a place where every machine operates in perfect harmony to preserve the essence of the golden harvest we gathered. In this digital sanctuary, every variable is monitored with absolute precision, ensuring that the transition from field to bottle is flawless in every single detail. Welcome to the heart of the operation, a symphony of steel and life, where the most advanced technologies work together to define the future of nutrition. The purification process begins with the gentle touch of robotics, as mechanical arms expertly handle the raw corn with a grace that rivals human movement. Watch as the outer layers are removed with incredible speed, revealing the vibrant gold beneath, all within a system designed for maximum efficiency and zero waste. A wave of purity washes over the grain, as high-pressure mist systems eliminate every microscopic impurity, preparing the corn for its next stage of refinement. Cleanliness is not just a standard here, it is an obsession, visible in every sparkling droplet that coats the surface of these perfect golden corn kernels. Advanced optical sensors scan each grain at the speed of light, identifying even the smallest defects with a level of accuracy that is simply humanly impossible. With zero latency, the system rejects any grain that does not meet our strict standards, ensuring only the finest material moves forward in the production line. This digital filtration represents the first layer of our quality promise, where light and logic combine to protect the integrity of the final corn. The scale of automation is breathtaking. A continuous flow of organic materials being refined by the relentless precision of our high-speed mechanical cleaning systems. Beyond the surface, ultrasonic technology provides a deep microscopic clean, ensuring that every single kernel is perfectly prepared for the delicate extraction process. The final gust of sterile air dries the grains, preparing them for the transition from solid gold to the rich liquid gold that we seek to extract. The kernels are whisked away through a network of vacuum tubes, moving towards the heart of the refinery where the true magic of extraction begins. Enter the grinding chamber, where massive steel screws turn with unstoppable force, beginning the physical transformation of the corn into a rich, milky essence. Under extreme mechanical pressure, the kernels surrender their secrets, releasing a vibrant golden liquid that carries the concentrated flavor and nutrition of the harvest. The raw extract flows through multi-layered filtration systems, where microscopic meshes ensure that only the smoothest liquid essence is allowed to pass through the line. Precision temperature control is vital here, as our machines manage the heat of friction to protect the delicate nutrients found within the fresh corn extract. The liquid then enters the high-speed centrifuge, a marvel of mechanical balance that uses extreme rotational force to separate the milk from the remaining solids. Harnessing the laws of physics, the centrifuge achieves a level of purity that traditional methods can never match, isolating the richest part of the milk. What emerges is a perfect, uniform stream of liquid gold, a testament to the power of centrifugal separation in our high-tech refining process. The texture is already becoming silky and inviting, reflecting the light of the facility as it waits for the next stage of industrial alchemy. Engineering excellence is found in the silence of our machines. Even at thousands of rotations per minute, the stability of our system remains absolute. The extracted essence is gathered and channeled forward, moving deeper into the refinery, where its molecular structure will soon be refined even further. Every drop is accounted for, and every physical property is measured by our digital brain to ensure the consistency of every batch we produce. A final blend ensures that the flavor profile is perfectly balanced, creating a harmonious base for the advanced homogenization process that is about to begin. This hall of extraction is where the raw power of mechanical force turns the gifts of nature into the liquid gold of the future. Now we enter the realm of high-pressure homogenization, where powerful hydraulic pistons create the incredible force needed to reshape the milk's very structure. The pressure mounts, reaching levels that would crush ordinary materials, all contained within the reinforced steel heart of our most advanced processing unit. At a molecular level, the fat particles are shattered into billions of microscopic droplets, creating a suspension that is incredibly stable and uniform throughout. This high-velocity shearing action ensures that the milk will never separate, maintaining its perfect creamy texture for the entirety of its shelf life. The result is a texture that is silky and smooth on the palate, a clinical standard of refinement that elevates corn milk to a luxury experience. Precision is measured in micrometers, as the system self-adjusts to maintain the perfect balance of force and flow, ensuring a consistent result every time. Feel the heartbeat of the factory as the hydraulic pulses move through the system, a steady rhythm of production that never wavers or slows down. Data guides our hands as we monitor the molecular breakdown in real time, ensuring that every drop meets our exacting standards for smoothness and quality. The transformation is complete. What was once a simple extract is now a refined industrial masterpiece, perfected through the application of extreme physical force. Even after the heat of pressure, we immediately stabilize the liquid using advanced cooling jackets to lock in the flavor in the freshly refined stock. Only the toughest materials can withstand these forces, using diamond-hard ceramics to shape the milk without adding any impurity to the final product. This is the alchemy of the modern age, where pressure and precision turn a humble grain into a fluid of extraordinary consistency and taste. With its structure perfected, the milk moves on to the most critical stage of safety, where heat will be used to ensure absolute purity. Welcome to the UHT zone, the ultra-high temperature stage, where thermal energy is harnessed to eliminate all traces of bacteria within seconds. The temperature spikes with incredible speed, reaching levels that ensure total sterilization while moving too fast to damage the milk's delicate flavor profile. Through our advanced plate heat exchangers, energy is transferred with surgical precision, creating a thermal barrier that no microorganism can survive. Pneumatic actuators control the flow with millisecond accuracy, ensuring that every drop of milk spends exactly the right amount of time in the heat. From extreme heat to sudden cold, the flash cooling process locks in the freshness and prevents any change in the milk's perfected golden color. The system breathes, releasing excess energy as it maintains a perfect equilibrium of pressure and temperature in this completely sterile, closed-loop environment. Safety is reinforced by UV light and advanced air filtration, creating a sterile bubble where the milk remains untouched by any outside environmental factors. The spiral journey continues, cooling the liquid down to its final storage temperature while keeping it in a state of constant, gentle motion. Absolute stability is our hallmark. The flat line of our thermal graph is proof of a system that never deviates from perfection. These towers of technology stand as sentinels of health, ensuring that every bottle of corn milk we produce is as safe as it is delicious. A final automated check confirms that the sterilization is complete, verifying the purity of the milk before it heads to the filling lines. Prepared and protected, the liquid gold now waits in the sterile reservoir, ready to be captured in its final elegant form for the world. The packaging stage begins, a mesmerizing parade of glass moving with rhythmic precision toward the heart of the filling station. In a display of perfect timing, the nozzles descend, delivering the exact volume of milk to each bottle without losing a single precious drop. Capping robots move with a speed that blurs the eye, sealing the freshness inside with a level of torque that is perfectly consistent every time. Every bottle is inspected by a laser eye, ensuring the fill level is identical across the entire production run, a testament to our industrial accuracy. Labels are applied with surgical precision, wrapping around the glass with no wrinkles or errors, completing the visual identity of our premium corn milk. The repetition of the machines creates a hypnotic dance, a visual representation of the efficiency and scale of our modern manufacturing process. Powerful robotic arms handle the finished products with extreme care, grouping them into perfect sets for their final journey to the consumer. Traceability is etched into every unit, providing a digital map back to the very field where the corn was first harvested at dawn. The packaging is reinforced for the journey ahead, as heat and plastic combine to protect the plates from any movement or damage during transport. This is the pinnacle of automation, where the machine is the artist and every product is a perfect, identical copy of the master design. Cold, fresh and perfectly sealed, each bottle stands as a promise of quality, the result of the complex mechanical symphony we have witnessed. The warehouse of the future is silent and efficient, where autonomous robots organize the fruits of our labor with tireless mathematical precision. Ready for the world, the journey through the refinery ends here, as the final package is prepared for its departure into the lives of people. From a single grain of corn to this refined masterpiece, we have seen how technology can elevate the gifts of nature to a new level. Quality is not just a word, it is the visible result of a system that refuses to accept anything less than absolute mechanical and organic perfection. This refinery is a monument to human ingenuity, a place where the logic of the machine serves the needs of the living in perfect harmony. A journey through time and technology, capturing the essence of the harvest and refining it through the lens of the future's greatest mechanical standards. The art of corn milk refining is our legacy, where the precision of tomorrow meets the flavors of today in every single drop we create. Join us in the future of nutrition, where nature's gold is refined to perfection by the relentless heartbeat of our mesmerizing industrial symphony.